The wonderful world of lentils. From soups to salads, from east to west, lentils have found their way into our kitchens and our hearts. But what makes these tiny legumes so special? Lentils, a staple in many cuisines, are not just delicious but packed with the powerhouse of nutrients. Rich in protein, lentils are a fantastic source of plant-based protein, making them an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans. Full of fiber, they aid in digestion and keep you feeling full, supporting weight management. Loaded with vitamins and minerals, especially iron, magnesium, and folate. But it's not just about the nutrients. Lentils have numerous health benefits. Heart health. Lentils help reduce bad cholesterol levels. Blood sugar balance. Their fiber content stabilizes blood sugar, making them great for diabetics. Energy boost. Iron-rich lentils can combat fatigue and tiredness. Lentils are incredibly versatile. You can make soups, stews, salads, and even desserts. And the best part? They're easy to cook and affordable. From the spicy lentil curries of India to the hearty lentil soups of the Mediterranean, lentils are truly a global favorite. So next time you're looking for a nutritious and delicious meal option, think lentils. They're not just food, they're a lifestyle. Thank you for joining us on this lentil journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious and educational content. Thanks for watching.